Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. Today's topic is typography face. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a typography face effect in just a few simple steps. Let's begin the tutorial together, step by step. I have already imported a video clip and a text image. The text image I'm using here is AI generated with ChatGPT. First, add your video into the timeline. Make sure your video clip is the main content on the timeline. Now drag the text image above the video clip on a new video track. Adjust its duration so it matches the length of your video. Select the text image on the timeline. Go to the blend option and change the blend mode to multiply. Now the text blends with the entire screen, but we only want the effect on the person in the video, not the background. So first, temporarily hide the text image by clicking the eye icon. Now select the video clip. Go to the Remove BG section and turn on Auto Removal. Wait for the process to finish. Auto Removal will remove the background and keep only the person in the video. Once the background is removed, show the text image again. Now the typography face effect is applied only to the person in the video. Next, I want to transform the effect into a black and white look. Let's do it. Go to the Filter tab and search for BW filters. Add a black and white filter of your choice. Here, I'm using the BW3 filter. Adjust the filter's duration so it matches the length of the video. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you now understand how to create a typography face effect in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tutorials. See you in the next video.